friends, Running Kimono. So we have a little midweek Walgreens and a little bit of Dollar General. So the best of both worlds, if you like a little bit of shopping here and there. I did have a couple problems over at Walgreens, so I will share a little story pour vous. I wanted to do a deal with my beloved Tampax, and it just did not work out, so I'll share that with you in a second. So if you are near a Dollar General, and you have to do this in store, you cannot order it through the app. I think it was shortly thereafter Thanksgiving. I saw these on the floor or towards the front of the store, and it is the Angel Soft. It's a 6 count, but in that toilet paper math, it's 24, and it's in this scent called Evergreen. Really have to pay attention. You're grabbing this exact one. If you want to open up your Dollar General app and scan the barcode and see if your store might have it, and if you see it in stock and if you're out and about, I would absolutely search for this, and I'll show you how I found mine. So if you scan this barcode and it's ringing up for 25 cents, that is definitely a stock up price. And I only found one today. On the weekend with the clearance event, I think they were $1.37, but this is such a better price. Here's where it gets tricky. They have another one that looks identical. It's called Fresh Ocean Breeze. That is not the one. You want the Fresh Evergreen. That's the one that looks a little bit more Christmassy. Although it looks very similar, they are different. So in the display of where they have these 6 counts, take a look at this. So I'm just, boom, there it is. So look for them mixed around the store or even in sky shelves, and there it is for 25 cents. It does not get any better than that to get toilet paper for 25 cents. Even if you don't like it, you can donate it, gift it to somebody in your family. To get toilet paper for that cheap, it is unheard of. Another penny item that started yesterday is this The Best Sticker Book Ever. So I saw this on quarter day. A lot of stores had them out, but a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's out there. But if you could find this, anywhere in the store where they have like the kids coloring books, or where the stationery stuff is, like look high and low, or who knows, maybe it'll be near the clearance section. This is ringing up for a penny, which is a really great price point, and they have a lot of stickers in there, so I'm really excited to gift this to my nieces because it's such a cute little gift. But all the Christmas stuff that's remaining, if you could find anything, if it's still on the floor, it's ringing up for a penny. And with that toilet paper, if it's ringing up full price or not 25 cents, I would pass on it. But in the app, it's ringing up 25 cents. I brought it to the till and it was 25 cents. So that was a pretty thrilling moment. Hey guys, and I just wanted to point this out over at Walgreens, and please do not come for me in the comments. I'm just pointing out, what I see at the store. They have these massive boxes of 3M face masks, and you can take 3 per customer, and they're free, and they're actually contained. I know the ones at Meijer, they were putting them like just take whatever you want, and everybody's hands touching these masks, but these actually had a plastic overlay on it. I only grabbed one. I tried these. I didn't like it. My husband doesn't have a problem with it, but I cannot wear these. I just find it really, really constricting on my face, almost like, I don't know, I have a problem with this one. It's too much for this girl, but my husband seems to like it. So I guess it's everybody's choice. Again, I'm not making this a political thing. I'm just saying, hey, I just saw these in the last week over at Walgreens. And if you are in search of a mask, place to get one for free. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is this guy, which is 5 back when you spend 5. And no, I did not go out to the store yesterday to use it, believe it or not. So I wanted to treat myself to some beautiful Pantene. And you see those tubes with the conditioner inside of it? I really love the Pantene shampoo. They're 3 for $12. We have a $5 digital, and then you get back a $5 register reward with this deal, plus that booster for spending $5. So, I mean, this is just a win-win-win in any situation. And just to show you the tags a little closer, it's been such a weird week over at Walgreens just doing other deals that I spaced on this one. So, and here it is. If you got the February P&G, I think that coupon expires the second week of February. So either use the digital or the paper coupon. It is your choice. Now, to make things interesting, I had this $8 manufacturer register reward from Just for Men. So yes, I could toss this into the deal, but I would be a little bit short. So I had to grab one item for exactly $1 to make this deal work. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 3 of the conditioners, and I grabbed a $1 product from the Dollar Spot, those little eye trimmers for your eyebrows to make you look beautiful. And this is a $13 basket altogether. So just follow me with the math for this one. So 3 of those Pantenes is 12 on the nose, and I got one item from the dollar spot for $1. You can grab whatever you want, guys. So the total is 13. I had the 5 off of 3 digital that came off, plus the register reward, which was a manufacturer one from Just for Men. So I paid the tax for this, and then I got back a $5 register reward, and that was a manufacturer register reward for the Pantene, and then $5 of Walgreens cash for that goofy little booster. Now, that little booster of spend 5, get 5, that is of a one-time use. So even if it's still straggling in your account for the next month, it's a one and done. And a lot of people are reporting that they can use their digital boosters with it. I unfortunately didn't have anything to use with, but hey, try it if you wish. It's at your discretion, but I just bought a quick little deal like this to make it work, and I got these shampoos as a little money maker, so I'm very delighted with that. Okay, so this coupon that I got for spending more than $25 on beauty products on Walgreens.com, they mailed it to my house. It does not scan. So this week there's a deal for Tampax to buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. And this coupon, if you look at the verbiage really carefully, and this came from Walgreens, it says save $5 on any 2 Always pads and or Tampax tampons. There is no size specification thing there, like by the 78 count one only or whatever. So the ones that are on sale this week, I think they're like 16 or 18. It's not working with this. And initially, the cashier, I had 2 other boxes of just the blue ones and then 1 Radiant. And she's like, you have to buy all Radiant for this coupon to scan. No problem. She voided my transaction. I went and got 3 boxes of Radiant tampons, came back, and guess what? The coupon still didn't scan. And there is nothing about a size specification, but we went with picture reading and it didn't work. And so I just voided the transaction because she opted to maybe try to reduce down the cost by modifying one product to 0, and then I wouldn't get my register reward, so I just said forget it. So very disappointing that this coupon did not work in store, so be warned if you try to use it, it does not scan, so meh. Last thing we're going to talk about is some unmarked clearance because this was not tagged. So this product is originally $15.99 and it's unmarked clearance for $1.59. So that right there is some tremendous savings. I found this now at, I think, like 2 or 3 stores where it's not marked, and usually at those stores, I grab them and they ring up for $1.59. With the Just for Men, if it isn't marked, it's not on clearance because I've also checked and got cashiers to scan them for me and said, could you possibly? And then they're like, it's full price. And I'm like, okay, I'm not buying it. But this guy for $1.59, that is a tremendous price, tremendous savings. And here is the UPC if you want to look for this exact one. I think on the front of the box it says exclusively for Walgreens, so look for that as well. So hopefully this helped you out in some way, and if you're headed out to the Dollar General, I would absolutely look for that quarter toilet paper. How great is that? We'll catch you guys the next one. Bye.